How to redeem Fanatics gift card online. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I will simply guide you through the steps on how you can actually redeem a Fanatics gift card online, so just make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, Fanatics is basically one of the world's largest store on buying sports products such as kits, jerseys, balls, and so on. To get started, all you have to do is simply open up your browser. First of all, go to www.fanatics.com, then sign into your account. I'll also make sure to drop a link below. Now, once you have went ahead to this website, let's say you want to redeem your gift card, what you need to do in that case is, first of all, you have to add the products that you want to buy to your cart. And when you add them to your cart, you'll see the cart icon from the top right hand side. So just click the cart icon from the top right hand side and then you'll land on the checkout page, where you just need to basically click on the right hand side and then just select the option called checkout. Now when you basically go to the checkout page, by first of all it's just going to ask you to simply enter your first name, your last name, or anything else, or else when you come back over here you'll see all these options. So let me go ahead and make sure to enter all my shipping details. In this case, once I enter all my shipping details, I'll just click on the continue checkout button, and as I click on the continue checkout button over here, on the next page it'll ask me to simply enter my payment method and so on, right? But what I need to do is, if you actually look, then on the right hand side you'll find a button that says apply gift card number. All you need to do is just click on apply gift card number. Make sure to enter your gift card number, in this case depending upon the card, and then just click on the apply button. Now depending upon the value of the gift card, it's going to be successfully applied to purchase your products. Now in case you have a coupon code, you can also apply a coupon code over here, or you can simply apply a gift card and then click on apply. It will be successfully used over here. This is how you can redeem and use your Fanatics gift card. We hope the video was helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.